Unlocking Understanding, Google Apps' new Simplify feature for iPhone users. May 7, 2025, 12:10 p.m. IST. Have you ever found yourself scratching your head over complicated medical or technical jargon while searching on Google? If so, you're in for a treat. The Google app for iPhone has just rolled out an exciting new feature called Simplify, powered by cutting-edge AI technology. This innovative tool is designed to transform those daunting, complex terms into clear, easy-to-understand language, making your web browsing experience smoother than ever. Imagine being able to effortlessly grasp intricate concepts in fields like medicine, engineering, law, and more, without the need for endless follow-up searches or relying on third-party apps. With the Simplify feature, you can now decode complex texts with just a few taps. This means no more confusion, just straightforward information that you can easily digest. So, how does this magic happen? The Simplify feature utilizes the advanced Gemini AI model developed by Google Research. It takes the highlighted text from your search results and distills it into a simpler form, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their educational background, can understand even the most technical jargon. To ensure accuracy, the Google Research team conducted extensive testing with 4,563 participants, using a diverse range of real-world text excerpts from complex domains such as medical research, biology, law, finance, literature, philosophy, aerospace, and computer science. While you might not see this feature on your Google app just yet, it's already starting to roll out for iPhone users. To give it a try, simply open the Google app on your iPhone and perform a web search. When you come across a paragraph or sentence that seems a bit too complex, just highlight it. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to click on Simplify. In just a few moments, Gemini will provide you with a clearer, more digestible version of the text. However, it's worth noting that Google has yet to confirm whether this fantastic feature will be available for Android users in future updates. So, iPhone users, get ready to enjoy a whole new level of understanding with the Google Apps Simplify feature, your gateway to making sense of the complex world around you.